borderline gonna turn into a thong. The booty gonna eat it up. Metallic swim. It's giving Tin Man. Aluminum foil. Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I'm bringing you guys a Shein bikini try on. I don't know why these videos tend to do really well on my YouTube, and I also really love these swimwear over at Shein. Not only is the price so good, also I have a coupon code, so I'll be sure to put that in the description box below along with the links to everything that you girls see in this video today. These swimsuits, the quality, you guys. I've had some of my Shein swimwear since like last summer. I started shopping in that kind of category, and I still wear them to the pool this summer. So they definitely hold up, especially if you're by the pool. And you know, like when you're like sitting on the concrete, sometimes some swimwear can get like really pilly. Mine have never done that. So I really love the quality and the silhouettes. They have sets. I'm a set type of girl, like matching cover-ups and accessories. And I love the fit of them. So all of my swimwear, which you guys will see, I will be trying this stuff on, is in a size small. And I'll show you guys my picks for August. These are some new in items, so don't be asleep. I'm taking these with me next week on a trip, and I am so obsessed with all these pieces. I think I did a really good job this time around. This one is actually a 4-piece set. Yes, 4 pieces. You can be looking like a baddie on a budget without even trying, and I'm totally a matchy type of girl, especially with swimwear. I like to have some extra coverage, okay? And I don't want to just wear like, I don't know, denim shorts to the pool. That is so uncomfortable to take on and off in a public space. So baby, this set comes with a matching mesh skirt. I have this in several other colors, and I loved it so much last summer, and I went on the website and I saw they had more, and I added it to my cart really quick. So this one is like a black and white marble design, and I thought this would be really pretty just to wear with other black basic bikini sets or even white sets as well. And then it has ties on the side. This is a really cute swim skirt. I even swim in these little mini skirts, so they're really comfortable too if you're just chilling in the water. I took mine last summer to the beach, and it was like the perfect thing ever. And this one comes with tie bottoms, which are my perfect silhouette because you do get the most custom fit with the ties on this side, and I find the coverage to be fairly family friendly in this set, and they have so many different designs and colorways that I think you girls will really love, especially the coverage in the front as well. I find some bikinis are too narrow. I'm like, what is that gonna cover? These are perfect. So I love the bottoms for that, and then the top is just your traditional triangle tie bikini top. This again has removable padding. It is also a size small. So when you're buying these sets, the size is for every piece. So just keep that in mind. And because it has a print, you're not really going to see any nips because it's like camouflaged, you know? And then I thought this one was really cute. It actually comes with an additional piece that you can wear in your hair as a bandana or like a little tie in your bun or your ponytail or something like that. So if you're going to like a beach party or something, baby, you have a whole outfit ready to go. And I already knew I was gonna love that again, so I picked it up in this brighter shade kind of color combo, and I love all these colors together. I think they're super cute. So it comes with the matching mesh skirts along with the same tie bottoms. Also, these are very high-waisted, so you can hike them up on the side. It gives you that nice hourglass figure, which I love. The matching headscarf, which is super duper cute, and of course the triangle tie bikini top. Love this. I don't know which one out of the two I like more because they're both like essential, and I'm obsessed. Metallic swim. This is definitely giving me like Skims but Shein, and I wanted to try out their metallic swimwear to see if it was actually comfortable and if it fits good, because I feel like the material is a little bit more stiff compared to your traditional swimwear fabrics, and I thought these honestly would just be cute for laying out and tanning. I like to go to my pool and just lay out for a couple of hours, and I don't even really be going in the water, so for moments like that I thought these would be pretty cute. So we're gonna try these on. These are a traditional tie bottom, in this gold, which I thought would look so nice with like body oil, and you're super glowy already, and then you have like your tan lines. I actually really like my tan lines. I've been outside, you guys. I've been laying out. Now the one thing I can say is it does have a white lining. So I feel like if the fabric isn't laying completely flat, you might see a little bit of the white lining, which isn't the most beautiful look. And then the stitching here is just a little bit pulled. So that's just the only thing I'm noticing. But other than that, this is super cute, and it looks like the same amount of coverage as that last bikini bottom. So this top, or this set, actually came with a traditional tie triangle bikini top. This one also has removable cup pads, which of course I just personally prefer to take those out. So I'm gonna take them out right now because I feel like it's very stiff, and when you remove them, you're able to kind of play with like the ruching of the actual swimsuit a little bit more. But some girls like to have that, and I totally understand. But I have itty bitties, so I'm not really concerned. So that is a first metallic swim piece. I thought this would be such a fun staple to kind of switch things up. And then I also saw this one, which is also metallic, but it's silver, so I thought I would try them both. And this one is actually a 3-piece set. So this one comes with a little mesh like tie sarong, like mini sarong, I guess you could say. And it has little bits of like shimmer. The fabric has little bits of shimmer in it. I don't know if it's picking up. Yeah, there you go. On the fabric. So I thought this looked really cute on the website. Let's see how it actually looks. Because you just never know, girl. But the prices were looking good. So it has the same like tie bottom. You can see it has a nice bit of coverage on the back side as well as the front. So I think this is just gonna be like my go-to layout if it fits good. And then again, the same triangle tie bikini top. It's giving Tin Man. Aluminum foil. I didn't want to invest in the Skims ones just because I knew I probably wouldn't be wearing them all the time, but I still wanted to get a metallic bikini set for myself without having to break the bank. We love spam collars. So yeah, I love that they have like nice trendy pieces that are still basics that you can wear this summer and then take it into next summer. I thought this would be perfect for like my birthday. Like a birthday girl Barbie pink, super cute. It is like the perfect bubblegum pink color. So again, it's the tie bottoms. What's new? It's just the most comfortable. I feel like if it's the bottoms that are, you know, not tie, you have to really get the perfect fit, and sometimes it's too tight and it's squeezing you like a sausage, and sometimes it's too baggy where it looks like a diaper. So this for me is just always the safest bet. So I want you guys to see this fabric, and if I can get it to focus up close, it has some texture to it, and not that cheap kind of textured swimwear. This is really nice. So this one has like bead detailing on the ties. Sorry, it's very bright in here. Super freaking cute. And then the triangle top to match also has beading on it. Like, I would go swimming in this. I like that it has double strings to the top. And also this is a size small, and it has a little strawberry charm. Can you guys see the cuteness? I'm taking this with me on my trip. It also has the padding, but I'm going to take those out. And I'm obsessed. Like, I just can't. This is going to be like the perfect swimsuit, and it is obviously double lined, so I think this is probably my fave. Honestly, I love them all so much so far, but pink is just that girl. So I'm getting my nails done tomorrow, and they're gonna be this kind of color pink. I'm just feeling it. I also ended up picking up another like pink set. This is totally out of my comfort zone, you guys. It's giving strawberry shortcake, it's giving country bumpkin, but I saw it on the model and I was like, girl, that's kind of cute. This one is actually just a bandeau. I love like a strapless top if you want to just like lay out. And it has the tie here as well. So if you want, I think you can tie it a few different ways. You can tie it in like a little bow, or maybe even around as a halter just for extra security. But the print is just a whole lot of patterns going on, which again, I usually stay clear of too many prints, too busy, but the color combos were just screaming something to me and I just needed it for some reason. And it comes with matching tie bottoms. And I think this is just super cute. It's high-waisted. This one is very not family friendly. It's definitely giving more cheeky. Borderline gonna turn into a thong. The booty gonna eat it up, and I don't know why that always happens. It's low-key irritating, but I like the front. It kind of has a little dip down V. I think it's gonna really accentuate that waist, and it's super high-waisted, so we're definitely gonna have to try this set on. This next bikini set was definitely giving me bougie girl, like princess pool vibes. I'm not going swimming, I just came here to look cute. And or you could wear this to like a pool party when you're just gonna be like drinking and eating and not necessarily going swimming. So this one came with a tie triangle bikini top, and honestly, okay, it's satin, it's white satin. I was like, this would low-key be cute as a top paired with like baggy like cargo pants, or you could wear it underneath like a blazer. Like, I don't know, I feel like this super cute. Like if they had it in black, I would totally buy the top just to wear it as a shirt. But it does have a tie around the back and removable cup pads, so I probably also would remove those. And the tie around the neck is like this big satin ribbon. It's so nice. Like, this is so cute. So I hope it looks cute on, as cute as it did look on the website. And then the bottoms are also like a cheeky tie bottom. And this is like a thick material. It also is double lined. So I don't really know how this would hold up if you wanted to go swimming. I just knew that this would be really cute, not necessarily like, oh, I'm gonna go swimming and swim laps and be Michael Phelps. Like, no. We all have those swimwear items that we just want to be cute in and not necessarily go for a swim in. The last bikini set that I have is also one that I'm very interested to try on. So it's a strapless bandeau, but it looks like a bandana, so I thought this would be fun and interesting. The back is like pretty open as well, removable cup pads in here, so hopefully this fits and it stays up. So I will let you guys know when I try it on. The print isn't necessarily my fave. I feel like they could have done it a little bit better, but it's not the worst thing ever. It looks like a turkey, like, I don't know, a turkey without the head. But the bottoms, though, the bottoms are super fun. These ones actually have the tie, but they have little seashells and tassels to them. This is also another cutesy style bottom that I probably wouldn't want to go swimming in, but I would want to wear poolside to like tan, take photos in, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to try this on as well. I think that this one is a little bit thinner, actually, compared to all the other ones. It's not double lined in the back, but it is double lined in the front. So that kind of makes me a little nervous with getting this wet. You might see the crack. So that is everything that I ended up picking up this month from Shein Swimwear. I hope you guys enjoyed this little try on, and maybe you found a cute little set or two that you guys want to pick up. And again, I'll be sure to link everything in the description box below. And of course, the coupon code so you girls can save a little bit off at checkout. And I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye, guys. Ew.